Hi everybody, it's Miss Jackson here, and today I'm going to be doing some maths with you. So to warm your brains up this morning, we're going to be starting with a game. So we've done this at school before. You've got to think about a number. You can write your number down. And then you've got to ask your grown-ups or any of your siblings to see if they can guess what your number is. So I've played the game with the teachers. You can watch our game too and then see if you can pause the video while you have a go. Good luck everybody. Okay teachers, are you ready? You've got to see if you can guess my number. My first clue is my number is between 1 and 50.
Miss Jackson, is it a two-digit number?
Well done, Mrs. Didlick. It is a two-digit number.
Oh, Miss Jackson, is it bigger than 20?
Oh, well done, Miss Clark. It is bigger than 20.
Miss Jackson, is it an even number?
Oh, good question, Miss Ashtiani. It is an even number.
Is your number, does it start with a 2?
No, it does not start with a 2.
Is your number smaller than 40?
It is smaller than 40.
Oh, Miss Jackson, does your number have a 3 in the tens column?
It does have 3 10s in the number. Mrs. Didlick, can you guess the number?
Okay, so it's a two-digit number that has a 3 in the tens column and it's an even number. So I'm going to guess 32.
No, Mrs. Didlick, it's not 32.
Is it 34?
No, Miss Clark, good guess, but it's not 34. Come on, Miss Ashtiani.
36?
Yay! My number is 36. Well done everybody for getting involved in the game. I hope you enjoyed it. Right, today's focus in maths is going to be to identify one more and one less than a number. So that's our learning objective. And what are our steps to success going to be? We need to climb up the steps to achieve our learning objective. So we need to think about the number. We need to understand the value of that number. Then we need to understand what one more is. So we need to look at the language of more, and then we need to look at the language of less and think about what one less means. Now, our big picture today, draw the big picture everybody. Our big picture today is to help our farmer. Our farmer is struggling to count all of those turnips. So we need to help our farmer count them, show the farmer that we've got a good understanding of number. Maybe that farmer needs to count one more than a number, one less. So we're going to help him today. Are you all ready? Okay. So our key vocabulary is more, less, and looking at the value of the number. Okay, so to find one more, what does the word more mean? You can pause the video while you tell your grown-up. More means when the number is getting bigger. So when we say one more than a number, it's adding one more onto it. And you can show that with objects. You can show that with a number line. You can even find one more and one less using the number square. The word less, the number is getting smaller, okay? So we are going down the number line when we are finding one less than a number. And today we're going to be thinking of the value of the number. So what that number is, okay? How much that number is worth. So we're going to do the first few together. Are you ready to help me? So the first one we've got to do is see if we can find one more than 25. One more than 25. So to help me, I'm going to use a number line. So looking at my number line, the first thing I need to do is identify number 25. So Can I see number 25? There it is. And I know that if I'm finding more, I'm going up the number line because the number is getting bigger. So I'm only finding one more, so I just need to go one jump up my number line. So one more than 25 is 26. You can pause the video while you have a go at doing the next two and see if you can do them before me. Okay, so 1 less than 30. This time I'm going to see if I can use my number square and my number line to check my answer. So the first thing I need to do is find number 30. There it is on my number square. And I've got to find 1 less this time. So my number will be getting smaller. Okay, so I look for 30 and then go down the number square, and there it is, number 29. There's 30 on my number line, and I'm going 1 less. I'm going down my number line, but only by 1 number because I'm finding 1 less than 30. So my answer is 29. Okay, you're getting good at this, guys. Well done. Finally, we're going to see if we can do 1 less than 21. So is my number going to be getting bigger or smaller? I'm finding less, just 1 less. That's right, my number's getting smaller. So I'm going to start at number 21 and then just 1 less, so number 20. Just 1 jump down my number line. So my answer is 20. Well done, everybody. Okay, for the next game, you need a piece of paper and a pencil. See if you can get that for me. So for the next game, I want you to write all of these numbers down on a piece of paper. So feel free to pause the video while you write all of the numbers down. Okay, I am going to give you some clues to which number it could be. And when you think you know it, you've got to circle the number. Are you ready? Get ready. Can you do it quicker than me? I want you to circle the number. That is 1 more than 23. What number is 1 more than 23? Circle the number. Have you done it? Yes, you're right. 24. Okay. This time I want you to circle the number that is 1 less, so the number's getting smaller, than 83. Which number is 1 less? Which number comes before 83? That's quite a tricky one. The one that comes before 83 is 82. Did you circle it before me? Well done, everybody. Okay, ready? We're going to do 1 more. This time, I want you to circle the number. That is 1 more than 59. 1 more than 59. What's 1 more than 59? It's quite a tricky one. I'm going to give you another clue. It's 1 less than 61. 1 less than 61. That's right. Number 60. Did you all get that? Do you know, if you want to play another game of that, you can choose some numbers of your own and then you can ask your grown-up to have a go at playing the game with you as well. It is important when you're understanding 1 more and 1 less to understand the value of the number. So, when looking at the number 35, we need to work out how many 10s are in that number and how many 1s. So I'm going to use the Deans today to help me show you the value of the number 35. Then we're going to work out 1 more than that number and 1 less. So, to help me understand 35, can you tell me how many 10s there are in 35? That's right, I need 3 10s. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 10s in 35. Now I need to look at how many 1s I've got. That's right, I need 5 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've made the number 35. I've got 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. 3 tens is 30. Then I've got 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I wanted to show one more than 35, I could just add one more 1 to make 36. Then I can take that back off and go back to my original number, 35. I've now got 35. If I wanted to show one less than 35, I can take one of my 1s away, and I've now got 34. You can explore this at home too, understanding the value of the different numbers. Okay, we're now going to have 3 challenges that you're going to do all by yourself. You can choose which chili challenge you want to do. Chili number 1, you've got to go around your house, hunt for some numbers and tell your grown-up what one more than that number is. Chili number 2, you've got to go around the house, find lots of different numbers and see if you can tell your grown-up what one more than that number is and what one less than that number is. Are you ready to watch me? I found lots of numbers around the house. See if you can find as many as me. Good luck. I found 76 on the yoghurt pot. One more than 76 is 77. One less than 76 is 75. I have found the number 15 on a tin of paint. One more than 15 is 16. One less than 15 is 14. I have found number 20 on my box of cereal. One more than 20 is 21. One less than 20 is 19. I've now found number 60 on the washing machine. One more than 60 is 61. One less than 60 is 59. Finally, chili number 3 is this challenge just here, and you've got to fill in the missing gaps. You can use these numbers here to help you, so feel free to pause the video while you have a go at finding out what number is 1 less than 27, something is 1 less than 27, and 50 is 1 more than. You've also got to see if you can fill in the gaps. Pause the video while you try chili 3. Okay, before we end the session, let's see if you were right. Did you find lots of numbers around the house? I know I did. So, the answers to these are, I've got to look at this and think something is 1 less than 27. What number is 1 less than 27? That's right. 26. Let's see if we can read it to see if it makes sense. 26 is 1 less than 27. That's right, it is. It's 1 less than 27. It comes before number 27. Then I've got 50 is 1 more than. It's 1 more than. Did you get 49? Well done if you got 49. It's quite tricky that. 50 is 1 more than. It's 1 more than 49. Well done everybody if you managed to get that. Well done everybody, you've worked really hard today. So our learning objective today was to identify 1 more and 1 less. And to do that, we've been looking at place value, we've looked at the value of the numbers, we've looked at ways that we can find 1 more, and we've looked at ways we can find 1 less. We've understood the language of more, knowing that the number is going to get bigger. And we're going to go up the number line, we're going to add 1 more object. And just like that, we've learnt about the word less, meaning going down the number line. The number is getting smaller. We are taking 1 object away. You've all worked really, really hard today. You can now go on to My Maths and practice lots of the same activities on my maths. Now, I know that 1A were the class winners for last week, so very well done to 1A. I wonder if it'll be a different class next week. Good luck, everybody. Keep up the hard work. Bye.